What's happening? This is Johnny Snow back in the building, and today we're going to do a little work to the ass end of my Draco. Alright, let's go ahead and show you guys. We are empty up in this thing, put the safety on, and first off, I want to address the fact that nothing has happened as well. I can't say nothing has happened. Congress has taken a vote in the committee to proceed with nullifying this brace ban. So what I am going to do in preparation for them to go ahead and toss it all the way out, I am going to put a rail on the back of my Draco. All right. And the rail will be for sling attachments. That way I can have a sling attachment on my Draco, you know, do the single point harness on it if I so choose to, or if they go ahead and nullify this final rule pertaining to pistols with stabilizing braces, then I will already have in place everything that's needed. And to put this on this, you are going to have to drill a hole in the back of your Draco. So I'm going to show you guys, you know, basically the whole procedure and everything. And, you know, so if you would like to put, matter of fact, I'm here showing it to you. I haven't even opened it up. Let me go ahead and open this thing up so you guys can actually see what this thing looks like. Showing it to you in the plastic. All right, here it is right here. This right here, and goes on the back of your Draco like this. All right, that's how it goes on the back of your Draco. So this is, let's see if you can see that. That's what it would look like once it is el completo, once it is done. All right, so let's go ahead and get all this work done to this gun. All right, we're about to drill a hole in the back of this micro Draco.
175 last time on this. He wants 250. I was gonna tell him.
No, 175 is.
You want to give him $250 for a 43? You sure?
I'm positive. Absolutely positive.
Only if I can have two of them.
I have my doubts about your screw being long enough.
Uh-oh.
See if I got another one longer, because I think you're going to need it.
You know, this has a thick butt plate on it.
Yep. You have to drill a recess for the shoulder there, too.
Okay. Well, if it has to go on pause, that's fine, but if you...
We'll see. Might get lucky.
All right.
I wouldn't, but go ask Arthur. Where'd this come from?
RTG parts. I was looking at it and it halfway looked like that part, that lip needed to be grinded off for it
You
to
have
sit
to have
for.
a recess for it, or it won't. Yeah, have to do a recess for it. It won't go in. Quarter 20 from the looks of things. So, need a 1/4 inch hole and need a 5/16 recess. I'll do for a start. See how hard that plate is.
Everybody, you can come up here to Shannon to get this type of work done.
And the plate's hard.
Plate's hard as hell, it looks like.
Get a small drill through it.
Yeah, not everybody can do this type of work. You got to come up here to Shannon at Arrowhead. He will get your gun right for you.
It ain't thin.
It is not thin at all.
Shiny New American bit.
And this is for the recess, right?
Yep. I think it's a snug fit. What do you think?
Oh, yes, that looks fantastic.
Now, if the screw will reach. Get the metal cleared off of it.
All right.
I think it'll hold.
Okay.
Wish I had a ball driver that size.
Okay, it looks like it's biting in there.
Yep.
Okay. That is awesome.
It ain't biting a lot. Looks like it'll hold.
Okay. So don't drop it.
I wouldn't use it to open a door. You want mount a sling?
Yes. Or if Congress gets in and nullifies this final decision regarding pistol brace, then put a brace on it. But it's going to be for a sling.
There you go.
Alrighty. Thank you, sir. Let me show everybody this. Alright. Awesome fit. Awesome fit. Let you guys see that. Awesome fit. Alright, we have made it back, and boom, we got the rail on the back now. And I want you guys to see how good that fits on there. It is very important to get that detent in there to get the perfect fit. Once you get that detent on there, you have the perfect fit. Now I can put my sling for my single point harness on here. And like I said, if Congress goes ahead and stamps out this stupid rule on braces, this is already set up to where it can have one. All right, so this is the mini Draco, and there you see I have a hyperfire trigger on it. That's 2-pound trigger that's on there. Now we have the rail, so this one is coming right along, All right, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe. Johnny Snow up out of here.